What is a jigger? Types and measurements. Say goodbye to counting shots and hello to the jigger. This video will teach you all about what a jigger is, how it's used in measurements, and some of the different types available. There's not much information out there about a jigger, so we want to make this short, informative video for all those who want to know more about these handy tools that can be found in most bars around the world. So if you're wondering, what is a jigger? Keep watching. Types of jiggers. There are many different styles of jiggers, each serving a unique purpose. Pick the one that is most functional for you and will make your work easier to accomplish. Double jiggers. A double jigger is also known as the basic bar jigger. There are different styles and measurements for these tools, but they have two cavities, one with a larger capacity than the other. Japanese jiggers. The Japanese jigger is a double jigger but much slimmer and sleeker than the traditional one. This makes it easier to handle around the bar when mixing drinks. Jigger measurements. Jiggers come in a variety of measurement graduations. Some jiggers have inner markings, either etched or printed on the side marked in ounces or milliliters. Some also use both measurements simultaneously. How many ounces are in a jigger? The jigger's most common capacity is 1 ounce or 30 ml on one side and 1.5 ounce or 45 ml on the other. Other types have 1.5 ounce on the larger side and 3/4 ounce on the smaller side. Some jiggers have 2 ounces on one end and 1 ounce on the other. Usually, a jigger shot is 1.5 ounce based on the standard jigger's capacity, while the smaller 1 ounce capacity is generally called the pony shot. How many ounces are in a shot? A one shot is 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters. Some recipes ask for just 1 shot of rum, whiskey, or gin as an ingredient, while others ask for a double shot. Depending on where you are in the world though, there's quite some discrepancy when it comes to what exactly that means, from 2 ounces or 60 ml, up to 3 1/3 ounces or 100 ml. Jiggers come in various types, offering different measurements. They are a great tool to have on hand when making cocktails, but it is important that you consistently use one kind of jigger for accuracy and precision. We recommend getting the ones with both imperial and metric markings, as they will serve more purposes than those with only one or the other marking system. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe to Advanced Mixology and hit the notification bell button to stay updated on our latest videos.